Here are the evidence. Definitely want to keep this between you and I. Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video I want to share with you some of my splurges that I've done recently as I begin loving this department of goods that Cartier has been making. So I wanted to confess and open a few boxes with you. Here are the evidence, and it's horrible because definitely want to keep this between you and I. After I have purchased this bag here, I have become obsessed. I just like a pop of color sometimes, and I know after I showed you guys this bag, a lot of you have DM'd me and asked me about it, as Cartier also does, you know, trends and colors and seasons. This is one of the better bags that you can buy. Not a lot of people are paying attention in Cartier for fashion. I really want to be honest, it's always a good time for you to find unique items. I think you guys should look into this. After that, I really have looked into the next size. The name of this bag is called the Cartier C, and this is the micro size. And after micro, what do we go from here? I have become a mom. I do have to take a few things with me on the go at all times, and I don't have time to kind of arrange space for my goods. So I made sure I picked up the next size. And this time I have gone even crazier with the color. It's kind of very me if you have been following my channel for a while. Voila! This is the Cartier Double C in the pink and a pale pink color. I have made sure my little charm is generally tied on this because they're just so fun, and this was gifted. So this is a two-tone, which is very different than the first one that I own. I love that, you know, there's a transition of pink. There's different places to look when you see the pink. For example, when you turn to the side, you do see the inner color. Basically, the whole interior of this bag is lined in a lighter tone. Look how gorgeous this is. I love my bag now having compartments and not too bulky. Honestly, when I saw this, I was like, instead of me spending another round buying different things with Hermès in order to get a Hermès Constance, I decided to invest my money and just go straight ahead and purchase this bag. It does have a really nice closure. You know, it's very minimal and you don't really see the mechanism or the button here, but you push together, you can lift up this beautiful flap. Inside here, you have 3 compartments. The first one is really narrow and thin, and so is the last one. The middle one is the part that you will get most space out of. And then in the last compartment, you have this beautiful little brushed and polished metal that gives you both sides. It says Cartier right here. Such a nice little detail, and you don't have to take another accessory with you. But I understand if you have those Chanel mirrors, because I do too, and sometimes I like to take them with me. The good thing is it's very slim and it's very easy to store. Now let's touch upon really quickly about the leather. I don't think I have seen this type of finished leather. It's kind of a matte and a very smooth grained leather, very well polished. It's got a semi-shine to it, so it's not going to be overly dominating your outfit, but it gives you a nice matte glare. And this color is just so beautifully made. When I first walked into the store and saw this color, I was like, I need to go after it. And a year and a half later, I finally got her on hand, and I couldn't be happier. So I would strongly recommend you guys to start looking into the Cartier lineup of handbags, because it's a great place to start, and it's very well priced as well. This bag right now I believe is $2,900, and the smaller one is just slightly lower. But if you want to be able to carry your cell phones in the purse, then this is the size to go. This is the mini size. Moving on to the whole stack of things, I like to share that I should do this boxing rather quickly because a few of my husband's gifts are in here, and I waited until he kind of removed himself from this area before I started filming, so he doesn't know, because our wedding anniversary is coming up. I believe this is one of the card holders. Look at this. It's a very versatile style. I think you can open it. And it's a card holder that has 2 sides. On the right side of the card case, it is the one that has some depth to it, so you can store multiple cards. you have two separate compartments for different cards, and then one thin one here. This one just left bottom corner says Cartier and made in Italy. This is really wonderful. I'm going to put the price here because I currently don't remember. So the next piece is a bi-material card case. I would call the previous one a card holder. This is really truly a card case. It's bi-material because half is grained leather, the other side is the half. Like my mini C handbags, it's beautiful and soft, and the details are gold. In the front, you have one compartment or card slot that allows you to store maybe up to 2 cards, and then you have the middle compartment. And then on the back side, it's a completely covered grain leather with one card compartment. So this way you can carry a very dainty little accessory with you on the go, and the detail and the quality is awesome. You spend this kind of price point, if at Louis Vuitton you probably get a coated canvas, but this time you're getting Cartier leather. They do change color every now and then, so if you come across one that you really love, you should definitely pick one up. And the next one is the one that I actually picked up when I was in Switzerland. I have a Switzerland travel vlog, my 2-day weekend after a whole week of work in Switzerland, in Geneva specifically, and this is the one that I picked up that I really love. It's really a cute, fun card case. I was looking for one similar like this but on the chain. Then I thought about, you know what, why so extra? Because at the end of the day I will just be using this as a card case, so it's just gonna have to stay inside of a purse. This one has like lasered Panthère logo in front of it. I believe this is also available in black, but I went with the Maison's color, which is this burgundy color. It's a cute little setup. In the middle you have the zipper compartment for your coins or whichever that's important to you. Like one time I took this to massage and I just took my necklace and I zip it in here because where else are you going to store it? And lastly, you have the back storage here, and there's more. You turn it around, there's one more card case or card slot in the back for you, just in case you need something quick that you want to just pick up and go. And it has a nice little brand stamping over here. So this is just a whole gorgeousness that I found in Switzerland. Down to the last two. This one is a nice piece of leather you just want to hold and rub it in your hands. I love this because it does not have any hardware and it doesn't stand out at all. So if you want something that is really discreet but premium quality leather, this is the way to go. It's a little open small pocket in front and then a slightly taller one in the back, and they all open up really big. Then the back one is probably for you to store ID. When you turn it around, the back side gives you the brand name and the stamping of made in Italy. So once again, I think I could appreciate all of this nice little detail. I just can't stop squeezing it because it feels so soft, and this leather is amazing. And then this is a wallet. Last holiday I did purchase one that is the Maison color as well, and I was waiting to give it to my mom. I gifted her the handbag but not the card case yet. When I saw this color, I was like, how do I not do it? Here is the wallet. I know a lot of us don't really reach for a wallet nowadays. You guys who follow me for a long time, you know I love smaller bags, little bags. And this is just something that I do find this a little bit more of a comfortable size to go with outside of my comfort zone, which is generally just the card case. And it's like a wallet, but it's designed a little bit differently. So this time the zipper's in the front, and I thought, you know what an iconic color, like something green, but it's really nice to have this design as well. So you have basically the big compartment here that has 2 card cases on one side and 2 on the other. So this one is the mini multi wallet. This is a great little card case. I think you can just like snap and go. It's like perfect, and you won't run into a lot of people who use these because generally, if you know, Cartier is an iconic jewelry brand, but they started putting more efforts into their leather department, which is also amazing. So if you are not ready for a significant big purchase like spending thousands of dollars, then you can start little here with their SLG and start trying it in your collection, in your daily life, and see how you like it. The last thing is this very cute card case that I got 2 of because one I decided to gift to my lovely friend Eugenia. So it's really nice for me to have a little, you know, friendship moment having the same accessories as my girlfriend. The one she has is the two-tone color one like my purse, because I feel like matchy is not the best way to go. I like to break it up a little bit color wise. So I chose the gray color, and the one that I gifted to her is a soft pink with a pale pink color combination with a beautiful CC logo in front. It's been working out great because it's really slim and it's easy to get in and out, and your card would not fall out. This sums up my Cartier splurges lately, and I of course have to share it with you guys. Let me know if you have any favorites. I cannot wait to hear from you guys. Everything that I'm wearing today is going to be linked in the comment section below if you'd like to find out more, and I look forward to talking with you in the next video. Take care guys, bye.